And Saturday, March 7th, and holy shit, what a matter of one day makes here. Got all the tires back on, they're all marked, and I got one side of the track done here, and suspected they were going to be done, but there's the other track with all the wheels on. And we got the sprockets on there, and so that's the last of the heavy work, and besides the motor that's still got to get installed here. But Dad told me Randy was done with all the wiring yesterday, so now it's just a matter of putting or getting this running or getting it cleaned up. I think we're still waiting on a carb and putting everything back into place and getting it slid in. So pretty good progress here today. And Aidan is just adjusting the track adjusters here, and that'll tighten up the tracks, and it'll be there's no easy way of doing it other than getting in there with the wrench and turning it. So you can notice it ever so slightly when he's adjusting it. That track is tightening it up a little bit here. There it goes. You can see good movement there. Like I said, there's no other easy way of doing this. You just gotta start cranking it. Now, where these track adjusters are, you'll notice it's underneath here. That's good. There'll be one there, and then there's gonna be one right here too. So you need to get yourself a mid-20s young guy who's not burnt out to do this, because otherwise it's hard on the older guys.
You're off your turn.
No fucking way. He's supervising. What do you think, Kitty? Can't wait for this green. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So again, Dad's just opened the door. Everything's opened up underneath. We're still gonna have to blow all the crap out of there and vacuum it up. So young Aidan just finished tightening up the tracks, and now he's gonna hold over one ski, and they're gonna put the skis on. The reason we're doing the skis is we do have tires, but they're all garbage, and they're gonna need those spare tires for whatever they got here. So came in on tires, but it's going out on skis. So one ski is on here, and Aidan's just putting on the castle nuts, and we'll see how it all slides into place here. Stupid cat. So end of the day, guys are just having a wet. Both skis are on now, which is great, and they managed to get both of these on while I was outside sending some photos to the client. And so tracks on, wheels on, skis on. I guess tomorrow the big task will be working on this engine, because I can't imagine them having anything else they can do. I know the wiring's all done. Randy did all the wiring, so hopefully we got enough parts in stock that these guys can do whatever they're gonna do. Otherwise it's gonna be a slow weekend. Pinta Santa Maria, hey? You ready to go home, baby? Somebody's using their Bombardier.